Hi everyone, so today we'll be making this little, grocery bag parachute guy with pipe cleaners. This part is optional, but yeah. All you're going to need is 2 pipe cleaners in the color you want your little guy to be. I'm going to be using pink for where the blue is. And then 2 for whatever color you want the part where you attach his hands to your bag. And then you will also need 1 bag. I have this one right here. And then optional, you could use a little extra chunk of pipe cleaner or a twist tie or something. It's just for when you're not using him. You can keep the bag tied up and it doesn't get everywhere and get him become a mess or something. That's optional. First, I'm going to take the little thing. We're making the guy first. Put both ends together. Fold it, but don't fold it all the way because this is where his head's going to be, so you kind of want to leave it roundish. And you figure out how much you want to be his head. And then you give it 2 quick little twists so that you know it's not going to undo, something like that. And then you can kind of just smush it into the shape of a head, which is basically just this little stick person, a circle. And you can probably just go like this, take these ends, fold them over like this so that they don't stab you because that's not fun. Now you have to figure out how long his arms are going to be, which basically means you want to take this and you want to fold it in half, but have a little bit extra so you can attach it. And you want to fold his arms so it's pretty well flat, but you want to have a little gap at the end like that. And then you want to you can take this, bend it inward, and make the hands be the same size, because then it's just more even and everything. And then you can put them like this. You have his arms. You kind of want to point his arms up a little bit. And then once you have this sort of figured out, you want to squish these back together and do a couple more little twists. Just so he sort of has a neck, because otherwise it would look a little weird. And then you can kind of take this and you just take this extra bit you left and wrap it around, and wrap this part around, and just wrap it around right here so that the little arms are secured and everything, because yeah. And you push it up a little bit because he's going to be you see how this guy is, how he's kind of reaching up a little bit. You kind of want to make him look like that a little bit. And the arms on this one aren't the same as the other one, but if they're not perfectly the same, it doesn't really matter. This is just what this one ended up being. And then take your next pipe cleaner, fold it in half. And then I want to fold each end over just so I don't poke myself, because that's not fun. And then I'm going to open this up a little bit. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it around the neck of my little guy. And I'm going to try to pull it around a little bit and try to get it to twist so it goes straight down for my little guy if I can. And then I'm going to twist it a bunch. This is the body pretty much. And figure out how long you want and leave enough room for legs and to make feet. So that's a little bit long, but I'm fine with it. And then you just kind of curl up you roll up the end a little bit by folding it like this to make his foot. And then, if you want, when you get it right, you pull the other one over and you bend it so you know that's where the foot's going to be, and then you just curl this in till it looks like it's the right foot, the other foot. And if they're not quite the same, it doesn't really matter. I doubt your little parachute guy is going to care if his legs are even or his feet are even. And there's your little guy. Next, you take your ones for the strings where he's attached to his parachute, and you fold this in half, like that. And then, of course, bend the ends over so you don't poke yourself, because pipe cleaners are pointy and it hurts. Trust me, it hurts. And then you take it and you remember that little opening you left in his hands? Feed this through, and then right here at his hands, give it a couple twists so it stays right in place and doesn't move or anything. And then you want to take your other one, fold it in half. I'm just using green because that's what I felt like using. And then fold the ends over. Sorry, I was looking at my little guy for a second. And then you take this one, and you open it up a little bit, and you go on the other side of his other little hand, and you feed this through like that. And then you do a couple little twists so it stays. And then you kind of want to take these and go up a little bit to about where you'd say halfway on your thing, and give it a couple of twists so it becomes solid, but so you don't have to twist the whole thing, because that would just be annoying and take a little bit longer. This little guy, his body's not quite attached the same as the other one, but he'll still fly fine. Because like this one, like he's more like stable than my pink one, but that's fine. And then again, is when you want to go kind of halfway up and give it a couple little twists so that like it becomes like one thing. And then you want to take this end, take one end, whichever end you want, fold each bit down like that much inward, just like that. So it's sort of like the same. Then take your bag like this. Take one handle. I'm going to go with this one. And then you want to take it. Make sure your guy has it facing the right way. You don't want to like attach him and have him be like on the outside. You want to make sure he's towards the inside. And you want to take this and you want to put, first of all, if it's a little middle part and twist it back up. Make sure it's not going to twist again on you. And you want to take this, and you want to take these two hooks and hook the bag in one like that, and then hook the other one over the bag too, so that it's like this over it, like it's in there, and it's hooked like this. If that makes any sense. And then when both ends go over like that, see how it's like that? How it's kind of wrapped around now? Take that right there and twist it. And then make sure your little guy's still facing the right way and didn't like twist him weird. So he's still like this. And then take your other end, fold both ends in like however far like you did before. Something like that. And then take the other bag handle and hook it in like that, and then hook this one over it too, so that they're again like this around it. And then pull the bag up tight in there, and then take this part and twist it. It's actually better to twist the bag handle a little bit and stuff. And try not to twist the little guy's arm and stuff too much and make him crooked and stuff. And then you're mostly pretty much done. My little guy is one hangs a little odd, but he's fine. Just gotta twist him a little tighter here. Maybe that'll fix him. Yeah, that fixed him a little bit better. And then there. You just take your bag, you open it up a bunch, go somewhere high, and you drop it, and then they parachute. And now the next part is optional. You can grab this end of your bag, pull all the air out like this, and then fold it in half like this, and then fold it in half again to like sort of like store it and not have him like everywhere. And if you want it to stay like that, you take a piece of pipe cleaner, it's a little extra chunk I had from something. And then you fold each end over a little bit. And then you just take this and wrap this around like a twist tie, sort of. Like one of those twist ties for like bread. It's like bigger, so it fits better. And then there, this is how you like store them. If you like weird crafts like this that you can play with, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below any ideas you have for more. I'm willing to try just about anything. And subscribe. Bye!